everybody, it's Food Pantry Day. Me and Mom got into the food pantry today because they were open when we got in there yesterday. We didn't get into the food pantry, which is usually Food Pantry Day, but we went in late because Mom went up and saw my niece and didn't tell me, and I didn't get to go. It's okay. I don't mind. But I do miss my niece tremendously, and today is her and her twin brother's birthday. That's my nephew Phil. You've heard me talk about him. It's their birthday. They are 21 today. Woohoo! Shout out to my twins. Oh, when Hannah was young. Oh, didn't she love me when she was a baby? I used to walk into her house and she'd hear me talking and her little feet would just start a wiggling like crazy. Oh, I miss my Hannah.
She loved me too.
I get to see Phil all the time, but I miss my Hannah. And when I had Emma, she fell right in love with Emma because she was like 6 when I had Emma. She fell right in love with her baby. Emma was her baby.
Yeah, that was my Hannah banana.
It was. I miss my Hannah.
I miss my Hannah too.
To see you. I hope you watch this video. We'll see. But anyway, here we go. Best cream marble little cake. Yum! And peanut butter swirl brownies. 4 bags. Grapes. A pizza topping kit. Boy, did they know we were coming because we are meat lovers. Definitely. A mirepoix. That's what they call that.
Mirepoix?
Yeah, I looked it on the label. I knew it, but I didn't know it. You know what I mean? It's onion, carrot, celery. Italian style ham, salami, and pepperoni wrap. And it is still good. Used by 11/26. I think today is the 26th, so we're good. Oatmeal. Avocado ranch. I'll take the stuff out that I'll use out of it and freeze the cabbage up if I blanch it. But I won't use the avocado dressing. I don't like avocado. We've got vegetable broth, stovetop stuffing, Zatarain's red beans and rice. Never actually tried it. I really should. Elbows. 2 pie crush. Never know, I might need those if something doesn't come out right that I'm doing tomorrow. I'm doing a tiramisu pie, which I do have a video for. And me and Emma are once again trying the cookie crust. We use sugar cookie dough. Last time I don't think we had enough sugar cookie dough to pie plate ratio. So we're going to try it again. Let's hope. Sweet potatoes. But if that doesn't work, the pie crust gets baked up. We throw some coffee on it, and there you go, tiramisu pie. A whole bunch of little raisin packs. Those are always great to have around. You never know what you need raisins for, and sometimes you don't need a huge amount of raisins. Like, Emma likes to make baked apples. And, like, if she was going to make one for me, I'd have her put raisins in there. But she could just use a little packet of raisins for mine. She don't like raisins. Pot-sized thin spaghetti.
My mom loves spaghetti.
I do?
Yeah, because that's the only thing we use in, like, white spaghettis and stuff. We can't use fettuccine because it's too thick.
I don't like that.
She doesn't like a lot of pastas. Meanwhile, I'm a pasta lover. I'm addicted.
Very picky about my pasta.
I'm not. I love
thin
pasta. Any
spaghetti
pasta.
or angel hair spaghetti is my favorite.
Spaghetti's okay to me.
Elbows. As you can see, they are not my favorite. I don't know what it is.
Elbows aren't my favorite. I say fettuccine.
I like anything small, like a cine de pepe. Pastinas. I like anything small. Small is good.
I like fettuccine and rigatoni.
No. Cranberry sauce, jellied cranberry sauce. I did pick up 2 yesterday, but it's always great to have another one. My family loves it, whether it's Thanksgiving or not.
Matches your shirt.
Cut beets.
So do those.
I know. Isn't my shirt like fall pretty?
It's so pretty.
Nothing better. Reduced sugar and sodium peanut butter. And this is going over to Grandma's salmon. Yuck. No. I can't do it because I'm allergic to fish, okay? It's really probably not actually yucky, but in my mind it has to be yucky. so that I don't want it.
I don't know if I'm allergic, but I want to
That's
try
just
salmon
what it
and
is.
like it.
And we got meat this week. We got chicken thigh fillets, pork cutlets, ground pork, and ground chicken. So definitely a good
Selection?
savings and selection there. All so totally usable. We got limes, oranges, cucumbers, couple of onions, 3 peppers, and some apples.
And a beast that just barreled in.
Now, I am looking forward to that grapefruit. I want to cut it open. I've never seen a golden gem grapefruit because me and Mom were watching the people ahead of us get their boxes. And Mom was like, what are the green things? And I was like, I don't know. They kind of looked like pomegranates from where we were sitting. It's like green pomegranates? Never seen those.
I love pomegranates. I don't really like grapefruits.
I love grapefruits.
You're going to have to
But
tell me
I want to
if it's
see
bitter.
if this is as pretty as it looks like on the thing. And it is.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh my goodness,
Does it
don't
smell
those
different?
smell lovely.
No nails today, by the way. Ooh, those do smell good.
They smell so good. Let's see if there's any taste difference. I doubt there is, but I love grapefruit anyway. See, old practiced at it.
Ooh, it's very juicy.
Yes, look at that.
Is it bitter and sour?
No, actually a little more mild.
I don't want to try a piece.
Quite mild. So if you're looking for a milder grapefruit because, I don't know, you either like grapefruit or you're using it for weight loss or what have you, the Golden Gems, this one's quite mild. I'll try the other side too, just in case. You never know.
She loves grapefruit.
But look at how pretty they are.
They are quite pretty.
That gold inside with the green outside,
They're very,
that's pretty.
They're very delicate looking. I want to draw it.
If you want a milder grapefruit taste, go with the Golden Gem grapefruit. A little bit bitter on the end, of course, you know, as you're finishing. But wow. Definitely, if you're not a grapefruit person, go with these. Very mild, almost lemony, orangey, grapefruity. I'm going with that. So, check them out. Try them out. Look at how pretty they are. And on that note, we will tell you to like, subscribe, share, and watch another video. And have a great, super wonderful, fantastic Thanksgiving. And we'll see you on the next video, everybody.